Hello everybody and welcome to today's shopping vlog and unboxing. Starting at Celine, I wanted to check out the Nano luggage bags. Obviously, if you have been with the channel, then you'll know that I've been on the hunt again for another one. I saw this one, which is cute. It's one of their tote bags. It's more unstructured, a bit loose. Quite liked the color as well. It's really nice on the inside as well with the little scrunch, and I like the triumph symbol on the top. Next, we're trying on the Nano luggage in the color Acacia. I've seen this color before. It's similar to Pollen, but it's a bit brighter. So I don't know. Could be a nice replacement for my godforsaken, beloved Nano luggage that I sold before. Also, this white color chalk is quite nice. I was sort of playing around with all of them, seeing what colors they had. Celine seems to be moving away from this line, but I did like the color assortment that they had. It was very neutral, except for Acacia, obviously. And next I'm trying on Souris, which is the French word for mouse. I do really like this one, especially with the contrast stitching. Now I'm trying on this bag. I do like this yellow, and I love the gold. It's really pretty, but I'm not sure about the opening. And obviously the small 16 in this baby blue. So cute. Next, we go to Miu Miu. I saw this tote bag in the wall and I really liked it. I didn't like how open it was, but I did really like the shape. It's around 2000 and something, I believe. Now here we have this crazy chocolate egg as we head into Easter. Happy Easter for those that celebrate. It's from a brand called Hype Chocolate. They are local to Vancouver. Very funky stuff. Some new Loewe candles and scents. I really like these, but they are very expensive for a candle. I've learned my lesson with designer candles, you guys. Some new Balenciaga. Not really sure how I feel. It's not really giving me anything. Now back to this Marc Jacobs tote in the yellow color. I still don't know what to do. It's a perfect yellow color, but I just know that I won't really wear it. I do like the brown as well. What do you guys think I should do? Miss Kendall Jenner for Masika. I really liked the turquoise, I believe, and malachite pieces there. And this full pave one is absolutely stunning. This Masika part is new, but I really wanted to see if they had the Wladimir cat from Boucheron, and they had some really nice pieces. This Boucheron piece has been here for a while, but I never really looked at it. I really like these pieces, but it's quite expensive, like $4,000 for one of these. But they have the ring, so this is the Wladimir ring. It is white gold, full pave diamonds, and Savarite green gemstone for a necklace. Love this little panda as well. Boucheron was really killing it lately. I'm obsessed with this ring, but wait until you guys see the price. It's crazy. These earrings were really cute, but they're around $30,000 for some little cats. Love the feathers as well. What do you think of Boucheron? Do we like it? Do we not like it? I'm sort of into it. But look how cute this cat is. How perfect would this be for me and the cats? This size was tiny. I think it was like a 4.5. But it sits really high as well. But it is so sparkly in real life. It's not really picking up as much on camera, but it is literally sparkling like crazy. I was obsessed with it. But then when she told me the price, I was not so obsessed. This ring retails for $70,000 before tax. After tax, I'm scared. It was a beautiful day in Vancouver. Thank you for coming with me for the shopping vlog portion, and now we'll head into the unboxing. Hello everybody, so we have the unboxing from the shopping vlog. Open her up. Okay, guess down below what I got. Let me just take it all out. So I got the 200 ml size of the black tie perfume from their Haute Parfumerie. So this was one of their original sizes. This is what it says on the bottom. Really beautiful packaging. Has the triumph symbol on the top. With it, they gave me 2 samples, one being Dans Paris, which is like apparently the daytime version of this, as well as Bois Dormant, which is, wait, one of these is the daytime scent, but they gave me 2 of these, as well as a miniature size of Reptile, which is one that we tried last time. Apparently these are only reserved for their VIC clients, but since I have a good relationship with them, they gave me a little mini. How cute is this? It's a little tiny one. They asked me which one I wanted, and I said my partner really liked this one. So they gave me one of these, which I'm like super grateful about. If you remember the last shopping vlog, we saw the whole set of the minis, and that is actually around $400. And this thing is around 10 milliliters, so it's quite a nice little gift that they gave us. Well, let's open this up so we can see how big this is. Because most of them in store, it's just the 100 milliliter one. They don't really display the 200. It's kind of hard. How do we do this? Did this thing off? Okay. Top it just has the Triomphe symbol there. Whoa, this is massive. Oh my god. So this is the 200 ml size of the black tie. This one retailed for around $520 Canadian, and I think it's around 300 and something for the 100 ml. So if you really like it, it's not that much more to get double. But Robin and I will be sharing this one, and let's give it a smell. It smells amazing. I really like all the details. So there's the Triomphe there. There's also the Triomphe on the inside, which is like really cool, and then obviously on the top, and it's sort of in the shape of the Triomphe on the side. This one, it smells like vanilla. It's a beautiful scent, so definitely check it out. This is 200 ml or 6.8 fluid ounces. And then I also ended up getting one of these little things. This is from, what are they called? Hype Chocolate. It's called the All the Candy Egg, full of candy. This is around $10, and it looks to be like a chocolate egg full of really good candy. So I'm very excited to eat this as we go and see the Dune movie later today. I'm gonna sneak this into the cinema so we can eat it. But that is my vlog and unboxing. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see y'all next time. Bye, guys.